Amazing. Hello everyone, today we have questions. Yeah.
Where are you going today? Where are you going?
Going today?
Yeah.
You already know.
They didn't know.
Oh. We are going today. It's so boring. With my family's eating and even just use the bike to just drive. Yes, so boring. But my daddy said, we need to go to just like speed on the grass, like fly in the grass, getting a what thing and fly down. Yeah. My daddy said we need to do like this, but cannot. And him is lying. Yeah.
He
Stop right there.
always say him. Him is a wrong word.
Okay. You're so hurt. I'm sorry. Christian numbers.
Mola, bye-bye.
Why?
That's all today. It's so late.
No.
We fixed the Lego today, right?
Fix Lego, yeah. Fix. I like to fix like the big ginormous Lego. Even there's this Batman, all of caves, even the police house is there. We build it. Yeah, because there's so many 30 things, yeah. So many dust, yeah. And we broke it and wash it, and we make back again and make a big one. I'll finish. But the Batman, that one we don't have to.
Do it tomorrow.
Yeah, do it tomorrow.
Okay, goodbye. My hand is so tight.
Let me get it. You can subscribe my video and go to my channel. You can see that name, K. John. Ding. Okay. So you can.